Today we're gonna study Unit 8, Connect Plus, Off to Work. So look, listen, and read. So look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yeah, we can see a man and we can see some cakes. So let's read the conversation together. So we have here Hani, Yusuf, Hannah, and Amira. So let's read the conversations together. So Hani said, "What is this store? What is this store? Store means shop. So what is this job?" He doesn't know this job, so he asks Hannah, "What is this store? What is this store?" So Hannah answered, "It's a bakery. It's a bakery. A baker makes and sells cakes here." So bakery is the place that we can buy from it bread and cakes. So it's called bakery. So the shop or the store that we can buy bread from it is called bakery. 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 And who works in the bakery? Yeah, it's called baker. So baker is the person who makes and sells cakes and bread. So again, Hannah answered, "It's a bakery. A baker makes and sells cakes here." Amira asked, "What else does a baker do?" What else does a baker do? Yusuf answers, "He makes bread. He makes bread. He makes bread. Look, it smells delicious." It's very, very, very nice. So delicious means nice. لذيذ. So again, let's read the conversation together again. What is this store? It's a bakery. A baker makes and sells cakes here. What else does a baker do? He makes bread. Look, it smells delicious. Okay. Page number 18. Let's read the vocabulary together. So look, listen, and say. So look at the picture and repeat after me the words. Teller. Teller. So teller is the person who works in the bank. The person who works in the bank. So it's called teller. 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 So repeat after me again. Teller. 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 Okay. Next one. Dentist. Dentist. Dentist is a person or is the doctor who checks my teeth. My teeth. So if my teeth are sick, so I'm gonna visit dentist. The dentist. So dentist. Dentist. So repeat after me from the beginning. Teller. 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 Dentist. 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 Nurse. 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 Nurse is the person who helps the doctor and the sick people. Nurse. 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 Butcher. The person who sells meat is called butcher. 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 So again from the beginning. Teller. Teller. Tiller, dentist, dentist, dentist. Nurse, nurse. Butcher, butcher. Farmer, الفلاح. Farmer, farmer. So farmer is the person who grows vegetables and fruits, who grow the food, is called farmer. Farmer, farmer. The next one is teacher, teacher, teacher. So again from the beginning, teller, teller. Repeat after me. Dentist, dentist. Nurse, nurse. Butcher, butcher. Farmer, farmer. Teacher, teacher. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Journalist, journalist, journalist اللي هو الصحفي أو الصحفية. It's called journalist, 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 journalist. The next one, carpenter, 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 carpenter. Carpenter is the person who makes chairs, the beds for us. It's called carpenter, carpenter, carpenter. And the last one is chef, 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 chef. Chef is the person who makes or cooks food. So again from the beginning, teller, teller. Dentist, dentist. Nurse, nurse. Butcher, butcher. Farmer, farmer. Teacher, teacher. Engineer, engineer. Journalist, journalist. Carpenter, carpenter. Chef, chef. Okay, we have here a red box. So in this red box he said remember a, teacher, and engineer. So here we're gonna revise a and an. So we said that a comes before a consonant letter, a noun that starts with a consonant letter. So T, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So any of these letters, if it starts with in a noun, so we're gonna put a teacher, a teller, a dentist. So if we wanna speak about just one teacher, so we're gonna say a teacher. But an comes before a noun that starts with a vowel. So it comes before a singular noun, just one noun or just one thing that starts with a vowel letter. So what are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. So a or e or I or o or u. So on any of these letters, if we start a noun that starts with the one of these vowels, so we're gonna put an engineer, an engineer. So exercise number 2, read and say. To look at the picture number 1, I am a farmer. So here we're gonna revise verb to be. I am, so repeat after me. I am, I am. He is, he is. She is, she is. It is, it is. We are, we are. You are, they are. So here, look at the picture number 1. I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher. The next one, he is a farmer, he is a farmer, he is a farmer. Next one, we are dentists, we are dentists. We're like we are equals we are. We're dentists, we're dentists, we are dentists, we are dentists. Next one, they're dentists, they are dentists, they are dentists. Next one, I'm a dentist, I'm a dentist, I'm a dentist, I'm a dentist. The next one, she's a dentist, she's a dentist. She is like she is. She's a dentist, she's a dentist. We're firefighters, we're firefighters. We're like we are. We're firefighters, we're firefighters. Okay, and the last one, they are firefighters, they are firefighters. They're like they are. They're firefighters, they are firefighters. Okay, the next page. What do you do? So if I want to ask someone about his job, if I want to ask someone about his job, so I'm gonna say, what do you do? What do you do? So repeat it after me. What do you do? What do you do? بتشتغل ايه? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Okay, so if I want to ask someone who is in front of me, هو قدامي، هقول له what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? But if I want to ask about a girl's job, so I'm gonna ask her, what does she do? What does she do? What does she do? And if I want to ask about a boy's job, so I'm gonna ask, what does he do? So we have here 3 questions. What do you do? What do you do? What does he do? What does he do? What does she do? What does she do? So here, let's ask about these people. So look at picture number 1. What does he do? What does he do? He is an engineer. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. Okay, number 2. So answer with me. So I'm gonna ask you the question and you're gonna answer it. Okay? So what does he do? Number 2. What does he do? Yeah, he's a chef. He's a chef. He's a chef. Okay. Number 3. What does she do? What does she do? What does she do? She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She is a teacher. Number 4. What does she do? What does she do? What does she do? Hmm, excellent. She's a dentist. She's a dentist. She's a dentist. Number 5. What does he do? What does he do? He's a butcher. He's a butcher. He's a butcher. Number 6. What does he do? What does he do? He's a carpenter. He's a carpenter. He's a carpenter. Okay. Exercise number 4. Look, listen, and complete. So we have here some words and we're gonna complete them. So look at picture number 1. Yeah, he's an engineer. So look and complete. What does he do? What does he do? He is an choose a word. Yeah, he is an engineer. He is an engineer. So again, what does he do? He is an engineer. Can I be an space 2? So what can I put here? So if I want to be an engineer, so I'm gonna put here, can I be an engineer too? أنا كمان عايزة أبقى engineer. Can I be an engineer too? So again, number 1, what does he do? What does he do? What does he do? He is an engineer. He is an engineer. Okay. Can I be an engineer too? Can I be an engineer too? Okay. Number 2. Look at this picture. What does she do? What does she do? Because she's a girl. So we're gonna put she. She. What does she do? What does she do? She's a. So what does she do? She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She is a teacher. Okay. Can I be a? So if I want to be a teacher, I'm gonna ask her, can I be a teacher too? Can I be a teacher too? ممكن أنا كمان أبقى teacher? Can I be a teacher too? So again, number 2. What does she do? What does she do? She's a teacher. She is a teacher. Can I be a teacher too? Can I be a teacher too? Okay, number 3. What do? Do. So here we're gonna put what? Yes, we're gonna put you. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? I'm a. So what do you do? Yes, I'm a dentist. I'm a dentist. I'm a dentist. What do you want to do? Okay. So here we have finished this exercise together. Okay.